up, guys? Kevin here with another video. Staying with the Hawaii videos that I've recorded. This one's on Waipi'o Valley, still on the Big Island. So we took a trip down there. We stayed in Kona, and from Kona we took our Jeep to the northeast part of the island. It took about an hour and a half. It was a really cool trip, probably the prettiest place I've ever been to. It reminded me of like Jurassic Park with the big old high peaks and stuff. The drive there was awesome too. I never realized how many different landscapes Hawaii, the Big Island of Hawaii had. It has like valleys, it's got areas that look like Colorado, like farmland, and then there's like these great big plains. It seems like the wind was blowing like crazy though. What do you expect being in the middle of the Pacific, right? When you get to Waipio Valley, there is a lookout point where you can stop, and that's where the majority of the people just go to look at the valley from up top. The drive down to the valley is like a 25% grade. You got to be careful though if you don't know anything about off-roading. I've off-roaded my whole life, but don't be a kook and try to go down there if it's your first time and you rented a 4x4. So you're gonna have to give right away to the cars coming up, and you got to time it. There's only certain spots you can pull off. We went during the pandemic, so it wasn't crowded, so we lucked out. But I could see this place getting really crowded and overly saturated with cars, that especially people that don't know how to handle a 25% grade. But yeah, most people hike it. I would say the majority of the people hike it. It is a pretty steep hike back, so make sure you're in good shape. If you take kids, get ready to carry them because it is a crazy hike back. So I flew my drone to the far right side of the valley, and there's another waterfall over there that you'll see in the video. We weren't able to get to it, but I did fly my drone responsibly over the water. I didn't fly it in the valley. There's houses down there. I wanted to respect people's privacies. So if you do fly a drone, stay over the water. Don't be that guy that's flying over people's houses. Respect the locals. So when you start going down the 25% grade to the bottom of the valley floor, you'll see a turnoff where it kind of like loops back around like a U-turn, or you can keep going straight. If you keep going straight, you can go back to the waterfall back there. I don't know about accessing it. We just got to a spot where it's like an open field and just had a good view of it from the car. We did try to keep going, but we got told to turn around because it's private property after we crossed this river, and we just crossed back and kept going. So once you check that out, you can kind of go back the other way where that U-turn is and go down to the beach. The beach spot is very rocky. There's big boulders. The spot we went to was the far left side if you're looking at the valley from the ocean, so I guess it'd be your right side coming up. And then everyone was kind of towards what you see here, the river mouth. I will say that people were in the water, but there are signs that say there's bacteria in that river water. So I don't know what kind of bacterial disease you can get, but it was on the sign. So take precaution there. And then make sure if you do decide to check out this valley, stay away from this backside where all this private property is. Like I said, they didn't allow us back there. If you get a chance, check it out. It's worth the hour and a half drive. So hopefully you enjoy the video. This is the montage of that. And if you do enjoy it, just remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. I know it doesn't seem like it helps, but it does help to try to grow this channel. Like I said, I'll keep posting videos of my trips and DIYs and whatever else I want to put up. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. You visited Waipi'o out?
Waipi'o Valley. Oh, look it. There's another one of those
Valley. It's like a little chipmunk.
I don't know. It just went under the tree.
We're off-roading.
What is that?